Welcome to another episode. Now today we're going over on how to remove a pilot bearing. This happens to be off an LS6. Let's get started. Now the reason why I have decided to do a video, very quick video on this, there are a number of instructions already online here, but most of them they're using tools that they've created, or they're modifying tools, or the engine is out of the car. This is, again, 05 CTSV doing a clutch halfway there, and I just removed the old one. This is what I found. Okay, this will help a lot of you. Now, first things first, I tried the rental option. This was from the local AutoZone. Let me show you the problem with this. This did not work. Now, excuse the mess. Everything is, again, DIY style, small garage. You run out of room really fast. But right here is the part number. So you might have seen this as an option. The problem is, look how small the inner diameter of this bearing is. This just does not fit at all. Now this, on the other hand, worked flawlessly. Now this was $60 at the local Harbor Freight. The coupling you want is 9/16 to 11/16 of an inch. And here it is. Now I did film me removing this bearing. You will see that in a minute or so. So very quickly, if you don't want to buy this entire kit, this is the size you want, 9/16 to 11/16. The slide hammer could be a little bit longer, but let's give this a shot. Make sure I don't hit anything here. There we go. It worked. There we go. You know, this really pisses me off because in 2010, a dealer installed a clutch. Look how marked up this is. I mean, what the hell kind of tool did this guy use? It's marked up here. This is the rear of the crankshaft. Look at all the indentations here. Back here is a galley plug. That's why you never want to squeeze bread or grease, because this plug can get pushed out of its place and then you have an oil leak. But man, oh man, look at that. Then for the install, lightly tapping just to start it. Piece of wood. And this is a 30 mil socket, so it fits nicely. So that's it. If you're looking to do this job, my recommendation, buy the tool. It's worth every dime, unless you can find the right coupling size. And just to show you, the reason why I used a 30 mil socket is because it fits perfectly over the outer diameter of the bearing. This one is still in good shape after 15 years, but nonetheless, good insurance. I have to keep on going here, get this clutch done. So as always, thank you for watching.